You ready for this? The oldest ledger yet. This one's going back mid-19th century. Will it follow generally accepted accounting principles? Will we come upon any discrepancies? Will it smell as bad as the last one I did this with? Let's find out. I don't know why this box is so big. I didn't think the book was this big. Ah, the classic bubble wrap around the garbage bag. This thing is big. Oh, we got another stinky boy. Oh. At least this one's not from a funeral home, though. Oh, whoa. This might ruin my desk. When I started this, I thought this might make for some cool shelf candy. This stuff smells way too bad to be shelf candy. Wow. Leather bound. Says Ledger on the spine, LW & Co. And it has a pungent aroma. I'm so excited for this. Do I need latex gloves? Oh, gross. Yes, I do. This one's going right back in the garbage bag when we're done here. This is not a dramatization. This is a little icky. All right, no writing on the inside cover like last week's Maniac. Oh, it's pungent. All right, what do we got here? State of Maryland, Washington County, something something on this 16th day of June in the year of our Lord, 1847. Woo! Before me, the something, a justice of the... I don't know, but I tell you what, when you're setting up a new accounting file and you're clicking through that wizard as fast as you can, I never put anything this elaborate in it. Hope this isn't like a important historical artifact. May 15th, 1847. I hereby certify that I have this day, my claim interest and something of the books. Don't know. Signed, John Logan. Wonder if he like acquired the business or something. Let's see. May 18th, 1847. This was June 16th of 47, so this was written later. What does it all mean? What? All right, so we've got a little like letter bound separate deal here. So this is AB, bunch of B's, Bishop, Jonas Bell. All right, so this is by last name. It's an index of people and numbers. What could the numbers, ooh, I wonder if the numbers are pages, like pages in this. Are the pages numbered? They are, in the top right. Oh, the paperwork, paper prep, flashbacks. All right. Okay, so we've got what is like a key, an index of people perhaps. Whole bunch of people, numbers after them. Don't know what the numbers are. Maybe they're client scores. That was a funny joke for accountants. All right, what do we got here? Expense journal, debit and credit. Turns out you had to go all the way back to 1847 to get proper double entry accounting. All right, we've got 1846, July 20th, sundries, and then ditto all the way down. That is like the 1846 version of putting everything in miscellaneous expense. So we got a credit side here, not seeing any credits. Maybe they were a new business owner just getting started. What do we got here? Henry Fish Snack, merchandise, cash, something, merchandise, ditto, to cash, do cash. So we got a lot of merchandise. Got some credits this time at least. This is, what? Okay, so this is not printed up here. This is handwritten in incredibly good cursive writing. Nicholas, something with an L? Andrew something. All right, so we got names. It's almost like a ledger by person. Ooh, I wonder if that's what this is, like a page index. Okay, Nicholas, something with an L. Who's tearing the pages out of this? Nicholas, yep, whatever the heck that word is. Number 12416. That is not a page number. What should this page number be? Is that a page number? Maybe that isn't a page number. It does look like a very intentional scribble though. Yeah, that looks like an 11. Maybe that's a 5. Okay, so what does this mean? 1, 2, 4, 1, 0 or 6. 9870 is the total. Don't know. I don't know, Nicholas. Must just be a client score. Who else we got? Fisher Price? Oh my gosh, I love your toys. Okay, what's going on in the credits here? Buy merchandise, ditto, ditto, ditto. It does foot to the total over here. Respect. Daniel Beard. I'm still hung up on what the this thing is. Daniel Beard. Beard. Daniel Beard. 107.51. Ooh, is that a 9? I think that first one's a 9. I think we're on page 9. Maybe this is a page index. Oh, this is like a really stinky whodunit. John something Walter? That is page 10. Walter? Yep, page 10 right there. Okay, so the first number is the page. Don't know what the numbers after that are. Total's 9140. Not seeing that there. Okay, but it is a page index. Okay? Ooh, amount to page, yeah, this one too. Amount taken to page 20, 138. Oh my gosh, it's like a choose your own adventure. All right, so this is Jacob Gardner. Go to page 20. What was the amount? 138. What? Jacob Walter? Wrong, what? Wrong Jacob? Amount taken to page 20. Something 38. Well, something's not stacking up here. And a bloodstain on page 20.
There has been a murder.
Okay, buy cash in full. Find a better example of that. So what the heck is this thing? Buy merchandise, buy cash. Okay, so I'm gonna go with general store. So these are customers maybe. The left-hand side are the things they're selling. On the right-hand side are the payments. This is interesting. This says buy merchandise. This says buy cash. So maybe they basically swapped something. They gave them a $3 value for some merchandise. They paid $3 in cash, but they do always foot down to the same thing at the end. Whole bunch of people though. I don't know, maybe this is similar to what we saw last week where it's basically invoicing or just a sales ledger. Okay, settlement in full. March 22nd. It says December 27th. Interest. Oh, he charged him 27 cents of interest. Didn't waive the service charges. That's right, you stick to your guns. That's 3 months though. What kind of cash cycle is that? Don't you know 80% of small businesses die due to lack of cash flow? Gosh, I hate that statistic. Like, duh, they ran out of money. Peter Benedict. Let's look at this, by cash in full. Okay, purchased August of 46, paid in May of 47. What is this? What is that? That's like 9 months. What sort of business you running here? Very cool. So I want to learn about the business. Oh, bunch of people, a lot of fluid stains. Okay, we got some sort of new section here. Wow, this writing is incredible. Something 1847, 1848, 17th day of 1848. I wonder if this is the books being signed over to someone else. Okay, we're back to an expense account. Interesting. Okay, so the first section, the very beginning of the book, started with an expense account and then went into all of the named people accounts. This does the same thing. So this is almost like maybe a reset of the books. Maybe the books changed hands. This is signing the books over. This guy's an absolute maniac as well because he only put sundries and then a bunch of dittos. And we're back into a whole bunch of people. So it looks like a business that changed hands a couple of times. Something's happening here. What do we have here? Looks like they got audited. Oh. Okay, we got months. 1858. What? So this says 1858. 59, 60, 61, clear to 83. Surely they didn't keep this little sheet to track something for 30 years. What it is anybody's guess. What could that be? Is this where I hire an intern and have him enter all of this stuff into an actual accounting ledger? Then see if anything ties back into these figures? What do we got here? Sundry depletion and old fish snacks back. Wow, that is pretty great. So there you have it. A ledger. About the coolest ledger I've ever seen. I think this is real leather, that's why it's falling apart. Pretty cool. What do you think this thing is? General store? If you saw anything, got any ideas or background to add, drop it in the comments below. And let me know what you think of these kind of historical ledger videos. I got a couple more stinky books on the way.